Let's make some spinach dip, and not just any spinach dip. We're gonna make some shrimp spinach dip. But don't tell nobody, they're just gonna smell it coming. Start off by adding your oil. Today, I'm using avocado oil. We're gonna add our red onions and get them sauteed. As the onions start to caramelize, we are going to add in some fresh chopped garlic. I remember someone said, "Where's the garlic at?" In my last video, there it is. You got it. After the onions and the garlic have simmered and caramelized a bit, we're going to remove them from the heat, and it's time for our shrimp to come to the party. Yes, you heard it. It's a shrimp party. A shrimp, spinach, and artichoke dip. Let's go. Now it's time to add the shrimp, and what we're gonna do is just saute it on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to get it that nice saute golden brown type of color. And these are Argentinian red shrimp, so they're gonna look fantastic. Okay, so now our shrimp are nice and sauteed. We're gonna take them off the heat and start the next steps of the process. It's time to saute the spinach. Oh my goodness. Now you can use frozen spinach, but you know what I say, fresher is better. And it only takes a few minutes, okay? So do not leave. All right, looks done to me. What do you think? And there goes that garlic again, sneaking in there. Check it out. Oh, it smells so good.
It smells so good, makes me question what you're cooking in your neighborhood.
All right, check it out. We are going to incorporate all of our wonderful things together. Cream cheese time, sour cream time, mozzarella. Here we go. All right, let's give it a little twirly twirl, a little twisty twist.
Can't go wrong with twisty twist.
Presenting Mrs. Artichoke. Here we go. Okay, let's season it now. We got some basil, yeah, in the building, yeah, and it smells so good. What you know, we got some oregano, yeah, in the building, yeah. What you know, it smells so good. We're gonna add some spice in your life. Look. So let's go. We're gonna add some more thyme. So won't you come on in and have some cumin? We're gonna add some green parsley to the party right now. Add some garlic. Yes, we do. I got garlic. How about you? Mix it up. We want to be sure to add our third guest. Yep, you have it. That's the shrimp that we sauteed earlier. So we're gonna add that to the party as well. Now I did set aside some shrimp for the top layer. Now I know you guys are like, hold on, didn't she say she had 5 cheeses? I don't see no 5 cheeses. Haha, just wait. Are you ready?
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
How to make. Oh, look at this. It is so beautiful. Woo! It is cheesy and gooey and yummy. Okay, I think I'm ready to eat. I don't know about you.